Hello everybody and welcome back again. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent, and well, we've got another super quality Toyota Vellfire here for you to have a to follow and digest and decide if it's the vehicle for you, because this is a 2012 Toyota Vellfire GGH25, which means that this vehicle is a four-wheel drive, and or selectable I should say, 2- and 4-wheel drive. So it's the 3.5 litre V6 which is married to a 6-speed torque converter, as I call it, gearbox, a traditional type of gearbox, very reliable. But what's good about it is that this vehicle is doing around 2,000 revs at 70 miles an hour, so the engine is only ticking over at 70 miles an hour. And these really are a fantastic driving car. I have got one myself and I absolutely love it. You really get a fantastic driving experience with these cars. They're a type of car you could drive the length of the country and then probably get down to the south coast and want to get on a ferry and go over and start again on the other side. They just eat miles, these cars do. Fantastic grand tourers for going around Europe or whatever is wherever you want to go with it. So anyhow, this is a facelift model. The style of the bumper bar is a facelift, and as I said, it's the 3.5 litre. It's an auction grade 4.5 BB, and it's a very clean car. It's one owner from new. The car has got a small touch up on the bonnet, which we've taken a close-up photograph of. We've got about 70-80 photographs of this vehicle, high resolution, showing the chassis underneath the vehicle, everything you need to see in the photos, which I can supply you with. It's got the factory, what they call Z aero kit and rear spoiler. It's got front fog lights. It's got indicator folding door mirrors, electric door mirrors, power mirrors, privacy glass, HID lights, remote power sliding doors times 2. It's got 2 power doors. It's got rear camera and all-round parking sensors. It's got factory standard 18-inch alloy wheels. It's got the 18-inch wheels, which always looks that much nicer, I think, on this model. Heated front windscreen and front and side curtain airbags. It's got a dashboard and flip down rear monitor with the rear remote controls for the TV. Cruise control, climate control, ABS and traction control. It's got the leather bound steering wheel, and as you go through the video, make a note of studying the steering wheel. You'll see it's absolutely like brand new. There is no wear or tear showing on the steering wheel, which indicates it's a good indicator of the mileage, the 32,000. It's got a USB and VTR plug-in sockets that come with it, built into it. Smart keys times 2, so that comes with spare keys, which will actually be posted out to the customer separately. Those will be sent over to you by whoever buys the car, that is, by international courier with the vehicle documents, and along with any other small items like the remote controls in the back. We take these items out and post them to you direct to be sure that they arrive with you, because these are items that could be slipped into somebody's pocket. We're talking about petty theft here. So to be sure that you get all those components and items with the vehicle, we post those out direct from Japan to your home address. So it's got a Nanoe filtration, which is helpful to those suffering with hay fever sufferers. It's got the original maker's floor carpets all the way through, and all the maker's recalls have been completed at the main dealers in Japan. So that's been done. Now this vehicle has only done 32,000 miles from new, and as you can see, it's in a gunmetal grey. There's the steering wheel. Just study this part of the video and you'll see how fresh and clear the leather is. It really is nice. So I provide the opportunity for my customers to be able to buy cars direct from Japan at the export trade price. This car is currently located in Japan, it's not in the UK. Please don't ring me up asking to come and see the vehicle. It isn't here. It's located in Japan, and I provide that opportunity for individuals to safely buy and import these cars direct from the domestic Japanese market, the export market I should say, in Japan. And I stay beside my customers all the way through to registration of the DVLA. And I've got thousands of customers throughout the UK. I've got a track record supplying the cars from customers on the Isles of Orkney between Scotland and Norway, customers on the Isles of Jersey just off the coast of France, and every town, city and village in between have got customers. So wherever you're located, there'll be somebody nearby you that I have supplied a car to before. So we've been doing this now for 19 years. Next year it'll be 20 years. There's the auction report and details that you can see. The car is a 2012 July register, and yes, so basically, you know, all the information's there. If you have any questions, make notes of the questions you want to ask, and get back to me, and I'll try my best to answer all your questions for you. So I'll look forward to hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe. You can follow the cars as I list them. So speak to you again. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.